So the next thing is we'll try to import our media. Okay, so you can import media by just coming over here and clicking on import, and you're going to see from your computer, you can navigate to wherever you have your footage. For example, I have mine under Final Cut over here, and I have this video, Spend Time with Yourself. I can easily select it and go ahead and import it, import selected from here. Okay, so you can import selected. One thing you should pay attention to is the different features: add to existing library, add to existing event. If you want this media or this video to go to this event, you can just click and it will just add it to this event. Or if you want it to go to this very event, you can add it, and then you can create a new event as well from here. Give it a name, and then you can save under that particular event. Okay, then the files, what happens is people did sometimes try to copy the file to the library, which is not really advisable most of the time. You can easily leave files in place wherever they are, and then you can just link them up in Final Cut, so it just works directly, which is my most preferred method. Leave everything in place, and then you can just link them up. Okay, so all other things I kept at default. The keywords, the analyze video, the transcode, I keep everything, the codec, I keep everything at default. So I just go ahead and say import selected. So it's just going to import that particular video for us. So right now we have created a library, we have created an event, and then we've imported video footage over here. Okay,